Hello, my name is Faith Fitzisai, and I'm recording to the solution of what we did on Project 2 about how a boy who has been rude to his peers and has been treating his peers badly and treating the teacher badly, being rude to the teacher. And then as we get to know what's the problem or what is causing him to behave like that, then we find out that the problem lies at home. Otherwise, maybe he has learned that from home. He has seen how things are done at home, that everyone is rude to each other at home. And so now find out that the main problem lies with the parents. So as the teacher can maybe call the parent and sit down with the parents and talk about a solution and explain to them how we can help each other as parents. So as the teacher, I will say to the parent that kind words and loving actions towards children will subdue their uneducated nature a great deal better than the rod. Like what Brigham Young said, that in other words, physical punishment sometimes needs to be applied, but not all the time. Then, although in Proverbs 29, verse 15, it says, "The rod and reproof give wisdom, but a child left to himself bringeth his mother to shame." Then Proverbs 13 verse 24, it says, "He that spareth his rod hateth his son, but he that loveth him chasteneth him betimes." So these quotes, they refer not mostly to physical punishment, but this, according to Brigham Young, he said this refers to wise and prudent correction. And Brigham Young said, "Children who have lived in the sunbeams of parental kindness and affection, when made aware of parents' displeasure and receive a kind reproof from parental lips, are more thorough chastened than by any physical punishment that could be applied to their persons." So here, Brigham Young, he encouraged parents that as parents, they need to sit down with their children, counsel them in wisdom, counsel them to do the right thing in the right way. So this can be the counsel that I as a teacher will give to that parent who had a son who has been having unruly behavior, because the son or the child has imitated or has seen what is being done in the home, and sometimes children will think that, oh, that's the right way to do. And even children that hear their parents swear, they end up swearing, thinking that, oh, that's the way we speak. So as parents, I'll counsel those parents that also as parents, they need to be aware of how they say things, what they say, the words that they use in communication, or how they talk to each other. Then also the parents' example will teach the children precept by precept. And the example is important in addressing the children to the things of this life. So this is the counsel that I'll give to the parents of this boy who has been having unruly behavior, who has been so rude, that the boy has to be loved. The boy needs to be loved and needs to be treated well. Thank you.